Hello, welcome to DMD Tutorials. This next tutorial is the second one in the series, and we're going to cover the div tag, which is the main, it's like a box that all your content goes in, and it's a section of your website. So you section your website off into div tags, and you can place them anywhere you want. You can center them left and right, or you can place them in certain spots on the website. You can put photos, images, wording. You can color code them and all that. So just going to give this will be a brief tutorial. I'll give a couple of examples of how you can add color to them and all that. So hope you enjoy it. The div element that contains your content, and I give 3 examples here of 3 different div tags. They're on the same page, but you put a header 2 and as the main label, and then you put 2 paragraphs with wording in them. It all goes inside the div tag, and there's 3 different tags, and each one has its own background color. So on the next page you'll see, or 2 pages, you'll see how we added color to them. But this is just basically the coding for it. And in the next slide or 2 you'll see how they actually look on the web page. Okay, also, as we said before, the slide before shows the HTML code for 3 div tags, which are sections of the web page. Go in the main body, or you can use it for the header or the footer, the bottom of the page. These tags, you can put, like I said, images, videos, paragraphs. You can set them to a specific color and the size of the text. And also, like I said, you can place them on different sections of the website. That's how you build your web page. Alright, now here's the code for these 3 div tags, and you can see each one has the content and its background color. And look at the coding here. You can see that we added a style to the div, and the style equals, and we added a background color, and then for each one, so you can see how you can add it to the tag itself, and just makes it simpler to follow when you're coding. And then you can add more to those div tags, like you can add like text size, or you can add shadows, or you can style them any way you want, but you can add it all to the div tag right there, so it's all in one place instead of putting it up in the header section. But you see how they're all set out. That's how they would look on the web page, and you can always change the background color or whatever you want. Alright, now this is how you would add the style of a div tag to the style section in the header section. You can see up here in the top where you can give it a name, an attribute, my header, and then you get background color, color of the text, padding. You can align the text in the center, and then when you go down to the body and you do the actual element, now this is assigned to a header, H1 header. You can see ID attribute, and then they call it my header, so it calls down that information. So whatever you put in that my header section on top will affect your section down here, and that's you can do the same thing with a header or a paragraph as you can a div tag. You can style those separately too. This tutorial shows how to use a div tag and how you can add style. The background color can be specified in the style section above, or set attribute to color in the tag itself, as we showed you in the 2 examples. Just makes it simpler for me if I put it in the tag itself, so it's all in one spot. This tutorial is short and to the point, but my intent is to make them simple and quick so people don't lose interest because they don't want to sit there for a 20-minute, you know, tutorial. So I try to make them, 3, 4, 5, 6 minute long. So I just do one part at each tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you.